always wanted an apprenticeship since I finished school, and I was on Facebook one day and I just seen a mechanical engineering apprentice pop up one day at Big Pit.
I was looking at it a few years before, but I wasn't sure it was for me, and then I saw an article about Emma, the first female guide, and thought, oh, I think I can do.
The new apprentices that we've taken on board have absolutely smashed it with regards to the guiding side of things, and now it's really interesting to see them developing with some of the maintenance side of things as well.
I've always been passionate about mining. Obviously I've grown up in the valleys and obviously all the mines are gone now, but Big Pit still remains.
The best part of Big Pit Apprenticeship is learning about the mining background at the same time whilst learning new things.
Doedd dim llawer o peidiau ar ôl, maen nhw gyd wedi cael, felly dysgu am y winder yn her mawr I fi.
Our main target's the winder, and that's basically the brain of Big Pit, which makes the cages go up and down. And there's a lot to involve with the winder, so we need to keep on top of everything because everything's just like 3 times older than me, so.
Just learning all the mechanical stuff, you know what I mean? There's a lot to learn here. When you first come here, you think it's just like an hole in the ground, but then obviously you realise that there is actually a lot to it, like it's surprising.
Growing up, I was a little history geek, and hearing about the stories of Big Pit, coming here, hearing about the children who used to work underground, all those sorts of things fired my imagination. So to have a job somewhere that was so close to my heart is just, mind-blowing. I could not go for it,
It's completely different to a normal standard electrical engineering apprenticeship because it's about the past.
So on an ordinary day, we'll be meeting lots of people, taking them underground, showing them the mine. There's a lot of safety we have to be mindful of, but we get to share the stories of the mine. And then the other part of our job is repair work, doing all the things that keep the mine safe.
Ni'n gweld ysgolion o gwmpas y byd yn dod yma, yn dan y ddaear. Dyn nhw wedi gweld unrhyw beth fel hyn o blaen, a cael y hanes yma, a mae pawb yn cael smail ar ei wyau pan nhw'n dod lan.
You learn new skills, you meet people, you build some excellent relationships, and also you get paid for it.
You were just bettering yourself in general, the learning curve I've had since coming here has been tremendous, and it just opens your eyes to a lot of other things. Really good, really good.
The best bit about being an apprentice is just in general learning things every single day, learning new things off old miners, everyone. They just know different things and it's just so much to learn, and also you get paid for being an apprentice as well, which is awesome.